Okay, great. So, thank you guys for watching. If you've been watching from the first case up until the last case, when we have two terms in the denominator and asked to derive without the first principles. Okay, so just be sure to like and subscribe, guys. If you have already, thank you for that. Uh, okay, so in this one, we are given, or let me just say we have y. We have used all right. So okay, so let's say we have y is equal to, I'm gonna say 3. So yeah, this would be the last question. I mean, not the last question, the last case that you can face in the exam. After this, then it will be your what you call, it will be your those optimization questions, which I love, by the way. They're very fun. You just gotta practice and understand what is happening. There's a playlist on that, and yeah, usually you are required to calculate the volume. They deal around the volume, the area, the surface area, the perimeter, and so forth. Very easy. Okay, yeah, it needs you to think, but come on. We are doing maths, right? We chose this. We are engineers and doctors, and what you call uh, actuarial scientists, or whatever those people are called. Hey, anyways, so yeah, what we need to do when we are given this, guys, we need to uh, factorize the top. Factorize the top. Somehow we should cancel with the bottom. Right? So you have y. So what you do is you factorize the top. So you have 3x. I know that some of you guys would want to rush to the quadratic formula. Hey, sometimes I wonder why, you know, they didn't tell you that you only use that formula there uh, during functions and that second question of algebra. Because, hey, some of you guys are abusing this one. So I like to just think this one through. Why do I say that? Because when I look at this, I need to find out what are the factors of 1, right? Or what do I need to multiply together to give me minus 1 at the end? So I realize that I need to have 1 over here and 1 over there, because 1 times 1 is 1. But now when you look at it, 1 has to be negative, right? And the other one, and the other one has to be positive. So which one, which one has to be negative, right? When I look in the middle, I see that there is minus 2x. So what I need to do is find out what is 3x being multiplied with. 3x is being multiplied with this, which is going to give me 3x squared. And then I multiply the 3x with that 1. With that 1, not 1. Right? I multiply it with that 1, but I need it to be negative so that I can have minus 3x, meaning that this will have to be positive. Do you see that? Easy. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. Some people are just used to complaining now. Even if something is easy, they'll just look at you and say, hard, 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 hard. But it's actually easy. So what happens now is that this and this will cancel out, and you'll have y is equal to 3x plus 1. Now we need to find the derivative, so we have to use dy dx. What does that mean? It means that we need to find, we're deriving looking at the exponents of x. So we're deriving y looking at the exponents of x. So here we have 1 as an exponent, so 3 times 1, power rule, remember? It's 3, and then that's all. So this would be the answer. Why? Because the 1, when you derive a constant term, let's say p, if there's no x, as long as there's no x, then it'll be 0. But if it's like this and you're asked to derive with respect to x, then your answer, then your answer will be p, right? Because there's x there. So thank you guys for watching. Until we meet again in the next video, Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and help the NOSANA community grow. More videos to come, great content to boost your marks and get you closer to that distinction. If you're in grade 11 and you just stumbled into this video, you need to subscribe to this channel because this is definitely your gold mine. You need to stick around because you will need this channel. And grade 12s, guys, these videos you will need them either for your June exam, trials, or even the final exam. So just save it and know where to run to when you are in trouble. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers.